Hey guys, finally we got one of the sheets off the really bad area by the pool, the corner of the hallway and the pool. One thing I find very upsetting is that the insulation people decided to go ahead and, I don't know who gave them the go ahead, I can't make that decision right now, assumption, but obviously they went ahead and blew the insulation on the rotten wall. You could see clearly that the wood, plywood, the 2x6, the structure, the base plate on the footings was rotten. Everything was rotten, and they went ahead and covered it all up, which will make my life a little harder because I'm going to have to carve some of this foam out and to replace some of these 2x6s because they are rotten. And then now, unfortunately, they're sealed perfectly. They'll never dry and they'll keep the moisture. As you can see here, that the foam blew through the rotten board. So obviously when they did that, they knew of it. So I don't know if they forgot to mention it or it was mentioned. I don't know who made the call, but we definitely have to carve some of this insulation out and deal with this because I got it. Obviously, you can see up here, it's failing structurally to hold all the windows up. So I have to rebuild this wall from this column, which is damp but fine, and hopefully it'll dry up in the next day or so here as leaving it open. But we got a frame from here all the way down. So all this insulation will have to be carved out, the first 6" of it. Okay, just to let you know, and hopefully at lunchtime we could talk about it. Here's your footing, and I don't see the point of putting siding from your parging to the base plate. I'm thinking we should take this old parging out, scrap this, and start fresh at this line. This is gonna, I'm assuming, gonna be starting here down to the next footing, and it will make you guys a nice transition there. It's in the back of the house, you won't see it, and there's no point in putting wood to rot again in the future because there is no wood behind this. So I don't see the point of putting siding on this little sliver here. Okay, talk to you soon.